right here. We just took it for a test drive. It drove the way I guess SI is supposed to drive, but it drove straight. There you guys go. Little cosmetic stuff right here. He had hit a deer, so this was replaced, but all that doesn't matter because we'll probably end up what path we're gonna go with that. We sand it down right here. This we sand it down. We're gonna wrap the car anyways. But as far as like the interior, check it out. The interior is like pristine. This needs a little cleaning, but all the pieces are there. All the pieces are here. See, inside. Even has the floor mats, which is cool. The back seat right here. We'll check out the K20. But overall, what we're trying to do with it, good. All that come off. You can have that back if you want. That's coming out for the visa. But yeah, it drove good. It drove good. It's got the typical missing pieces that most four-doors are missing. You know, the little rail pieces right here. And then, yeah, let's pop it, the motor. Guys, here we go. And here's what we were looking for. The power plates. There you go, the K20. So everything's straight, legit, drove fine. He said the clutch makes sounds, but when we drove it, everything as it should. So we're thinking about it, but we'll show you guys drove an hour, 30 minutes to go check this out. It's actually worth it. Like I said, a couple of small things, and we can restore this thing and get it right. Writing up something, what that means. Oh man, this is gonna be pretty cool. Pretty cool little project. By the time you guys see this, it might be in the garage, guys. But yeah, I got plans for this. Got some crazy ideas. So I had the quote unquote top dog and then EX, but in this case it's completely reversed. But yeah, man, some little pieces to order. I just did something. I made a mistake. I got to that tab, I'm looking tank over there, caught that. Yeah, man, I was very protective, man. That was cool, man. Cool deal. Back
at the next light, turn left.
Time capsule place. But yeah, man, very productive. We're gonna see what happens, guys. I'll bring you guys along with me. So what different things we're gonna do. But it's, you know, it's always time for something. But I don't want to oversaturate the market with people that continuously buy new shit. But yeah, let me make this turn right here. And while I'm away actually to go to my mom's house, help her put up some LED lights in the back of the TV when she saw I didn't mind. She's about to hit and I gotta get it done for her.
At the light.
Here it is, 77-inch. There's the one connect cable. There's one cable plugged into this box. This cable needs to be ran to the wall. Right here, she has an outlet. So you can kind of see I pull the TV out. That's how you got it mounted. And of course the cable is drooping down to the box. And the power for this box, obviously that's the power cable for it. So I want to punch a hole through this wall right here, obviously, and then punch a hole here or whatever you see fit down here. And so we can run the cables through the wall so nothing's showing. I got a RGB kit. I'm gonna go ahead, since I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and mount this and just run the cable out and plug it in. But if you can come through, punch a hole here, run the cables to the wall, so it's all nice and clean, that'll be cool. And let me step back so you can kind of see it. That's the layout of it right there. I didn't realize I was shooting HD, not 4K, so the video's not as sharp, my bad. But yeah, here's the aftermath. I'm actually back, done with the work. Bug guts, gotta clean the inner cooler up. It's supposed to rain, but I need to get all these bug guts off for sure. Look at that. Killed a lot of bugs on this trip. But the good thing is, car made it perfectly fine. Didn't have any issues, as I shared with me, the fully built car. Yeah, I took a fully built car out on a nice little 2+ hour, I think 3 hour trip to go see what we saw. Another car, check it out. Check out a SIC, if that's going to be a thing or not. So again, perfectly fine, no issues. So you guys that build your cars, one day we got built cars, actually built cars now. When I'm talking about exhaust, you can't do it if it's built correctly, properly, and tuned right. But again, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Again, I figured I'd give you some type of vlog content, some type of different content on what I was actually thinking of doing as far as what's going on, so you guys can kind of get some insight. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. Hopefully, that if it does go through, I'll let you guys know the exact price. I did get that new part coming in. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what it is, just to replace that. And we'll get that on the shop. I'll go back up to the shop, get that put on. The P455, 456, we've narrowed it down. We smoke tested the car, everything's sealed up. All thing could be is a cracked O-ring on the fuel pump or the fuel pump, the actual pump housing itself. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna buy either a brand new fuel pump with the O-ring. And so we're just gonna swap it out, or Doucheworks actually makes a custom fill pump with the new 400 cc pump. Again, yeah, I know I haven't even pushed this pump that's in here, but it might be my best interest to buy that whole fill pump set. So I'm gonna give them a call and see and make sure that fill pump will fit the R18. If it does, I might go that route, get the upgraded fill pumps. That means I'll have another fill pump for sale. I need to start selling some of these parts. Not a lot of parts. But we'll see, guys. But I'll let you guys know. We'll get that rolling across the road. But yeah, I want to make an after video. I want to wash all these guts off, get cleaned up again, get all the bug guts off. And you guys see everything's all clear. See you guys next video. You guys have any questions, post them down below. And again, SI on the channel. You get one, tell SI. Still probably end up getting the Type R some later on. But this would be a good segue to help forward on to the. See you guys next video. Peace. Bonus content for those of you that stuck on to the end. After the vlog of getting the car, you guys saw I washed the car. I went ahead and went over the car again with my chemical guys, wax detailing, get more shiny, as well as I cleaned the entire interior. This new Passive multi-purpose cleaner right here smells like bubblegum. Actually, looks good. You can make your interior shiny as far as use on anything, any rubber parts, vinyl parts, etc. So I used it pretty good. Smells pretty good. We'll see how shiny it is here in a minute. And then I got also Passive's new glass cleaner right here to clean the glass. So far, I'm not gonna lie, this is the best glass cleaner I've ever used. It's actually ammonia streak free. As soon as I wiped the glass down because I had spots, and obviously I didn't bring any towels to kind of impromptu wash. Clean that stuff right on up. So that's some good stuff. Also, for those of you guys that been asking me what kind of oil I use for this built motor, there you go. That's the motor oil I used after a long trip. I burned a lot of oil, so I had to fill the oil back up, let the oil top back off. So we're good to go as far as that. So everything's cleaned up, the car's washed, waxed, interior is basically washed and waxed. Oil is topped right back off. Again, if you guys have a built motor, you're gonna burn oil. So you need to be checking your oil every week. And you wanna know how you boil a motor, you don't check your oil. Good thing you have a built motor. Ask me how I know when I'm the dyno and I do another build. So again guys, bonus content, just wanted to show you guys what I'm using to clean it up. I feel like get it all done. I'm gonna go ahead and order probably a new Honda 8 symbol like right now, as well as I'll do the headlights because I already washed and waxed it. I'll do the headlights next week. Get the headlights going good again. I'm gonna do that, as well as a new brake reservoir, 2 of those. This one is soaked with power steering fluid, probably because we changed my power steering pump because it was going out on it. So I think it's squeeze some fluid on here. And again, unless I'm cleaning the engine bay, I don't. With it raining, I haven't cleaned the engine bay. I wait till the rain is gone, then I'll do an engine bay cleanup. Get it all shiny again. But still looks good, obviously, you guys know. But again, it's bonus content. Show you guys what's up. See you guys next video. We'll see what happens with the car. I'm out, guys. Peace.